In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Google Calendar. If you've ever traveled, worked with teammates in different regions, or noticed your meetings showing at the wrong hour, your calendar's time zone is likely the reason. The good news is that updating it is quick, and once you do, your events will display at the correct local time so you don't miss a thing. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. This works best on a desktop or laptop, and you'll want to make sure you're looking at your main calendar view. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and find the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it, then choose Settings from the drop-down to open the full settings page. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections under a header called General. Find and click Time Zone. This is where you control how Google Calendar interprets and displays your event times. Front and center, you'll see the primary time zone setting with a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and select the time zone that matches where you are or where you want your calendar to anchor. You can search by city or region, or simply scroll until you find the one you need. Choosing the correct option here ensures that all your timed events, past and future, line up with your local hours. There's also an optional setting you might find helpful if you travel or move between regions. It's labeled, Ask to update my primary time zone to current location. If you check this, Google Calendar can prompt you to adjust your time zone based on where it detects you are. This adds a layer of convenience on the road, but if you prefer to keep your calendar fixed to one place, leave it off and you'll stay anchored to the time zone you selected. After you set your primary time zone, your events will automatically adjust to that selection. Meetings you've already scheduled will shift to display at the correct local time, and any new events you create will follow the same rule. This helps you avoid scheduling confusion and keeps reminders aligned with your actual day. If you've got an important meeting coming up, it's a good practice to glance at the updated time after you switch, just for peace of mind. That's it. With your Google Calendar time zone set correctly, you're ready to plan confidently wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.